people are one of the most valuable resources of any organization. Questions of how to build a strong and sustainable talent pipeline are on the minds of the current generation of leaders. We believe making a conscious, intentional investment in your people is the key to creating the leaders of the future today. We partner with leaders to deliver solutions to increase business results through learning and development for every individual, every day. We have designed customized, people-centered systems to create collaborative, comprehensive, high-impact employee performance. Workshops, lunch and learns, experiential learning, and professional development programs tailored to your unique business needs. Advance equity solutions, elevate your people, future-proof your business.